Happy Monday, everybody. Thanks again for tuning in for another video where we talk about using the pocket option broker to do some trading and hopefully get some gains for the day. It's always great to give a shout out to those people that have DM'd me, letting me know, again, that they are getting success from the books and also practicing in their demo account. First off is Melissa. She's gone from $50 all the way to $870. She said it did take her 3 days. Either way, it's still working for her and she's beginning to learn. Next, there is Rodney. Rodney has gone from his $100 deposit all the way to $2,500. He says he did it over about 4 to 5 days. It's always good to hear that people are learning the platform and it's working for them in whatever trading session that they basically have created for themselves. So let's get into the video and let's get on to the next strategy, and let me share some tips, and I will also, of course, as always, answer some questions that some of you have asked me to address.
Okay, guys, tip number one of the things that I'm seeing and I'm also hearing as well, many people are trying to jump right into their live account when they haven't even really practiced in the demo. If you've only been on the platform for maybe a couple weeks, even a few days, don't go immediately into your live account. That's just a suggestion. Spend some time practicing in the demo, especially if you're a little nervous on taking a trade, you don't know where to enter, you're not understanding the setups. Use the demo so you can get better in your trading session. Chasing trades. Do you find yourself doing this? Okay, as you can see, I lost one. I'm going after another one. I lost that one. I'm going after another one. This is what we call chasing a trade. I have already talked about how trading is very emotional. You want to develop the best trading discipline and behaviors when you begin trading for the day. We are all going to experience losses. The last thing that you want to do, what you just witnessed, is revenge trade or chase trades after a loss. Don't do it. All it does is shrink your balance and creates more problems. So that is a behavior you really want to avoid. Okay, let's talk about the economic calendar one more time. Okay, if you did not see the video, this is called the economic calendar. When you are trading, not in the OTC market, but the regular markets, often what a lot of day traders do, they check the market before they start trading, meaning they want to know how much volatility is going to be on a specific pair. Okay, for the beginners that are new to the channel and you might be a little bit confused on what we're doing here, consider signing up for Pocket Option. The link is in the description to get you going, and that way you can begin to practice in the $10,000 demo account so you can start taking trades eventually in your live account. Again, the link is in the description to get you going. Okay, back to the 5-second strategy. I've heard what a lot of you are saying. Many have requested a little bit more coaching on that. I am going to dedicate a coaching session to just talking about the 5-second strategy. I'll try to help you figure out where you're going wrong. We'll try to perfect your entry. This is going to be a half-hour coaching session, and I will put the links in the description. Okay, guys, this is going to be a strategy that is really geared to beginners, people who have been on the platform for probably less than a year. It's kind of getting back to the basics. And we are only going to focus on uptrends, nothing else. Okay? So if you are new and you're trying to figure things out, because I don't want you to have this muddled screen of all these indicators. We are going to take it very, very slow, and we're going to make it very simple. So we are going to use a 200 SMA. We're going to use 1 minute expiration. This gives you some kind of confidence to where you can begin to focus on a particular strategy and stick with it.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.